Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many people are curious about: vertical ridges on your nails. What do they mean? Are they a sign of something serious? Stay tuned to discover the real cause of vertical ridges on your nails and what you can do about them. Before we get into the causes, let's understand the basics of nail anatomy. Nail structure. Nails are made of keratin, a type of protein that forms a protective layer. Nail growth. Nails grow from the nail matrix located under the cuticle. Knowing how nails grow and their structure helps us better understand why ridges appear. Vertical ridges, also known as longitudinal striations, are lines that run from the base of the nail to the tip. They are common and usually harmless, but in some cases, they can indicate underlying health issues. Let's look at the primary reasons for these ridges. One of the most common causes of vertical ridges is aging. As we age, our nails naturally change. Aging process. The production of natural oils and moisture decreases, leading to dry and brittle nails. Result: this can cause ridges to form as the nail grows unevenly. While this is a normal part of aging, maintaining good nail care can help reduce their appearance. Nutritional deficiencies can also lead to vertical ridges. Vitamin deficiency. Lack of vitamins such as A, B, and E can affect nail health. Minerals. Deficiencies in minerals like iron, zinc, and magnesium can also cause ridges. Ensuring a balanced diet rich in these nutrients can promote healthy nails. Sometimes, vertical ridges can be a sign of underlying medical conditions. Rheumatoid arthritis. Inflammatory conditions like rheumatoid arthritis can cause changes in nail texture. Peripheral vascular disease. Poor blood circulation can lead to nail ridges. Eczema. Skin conditions like eczema can affect nail health. If you suspect a medical condition, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. Dehydration and dryness are also common culprits. Dehydration. Not drinking enough water can lead to dry nails and the formation of ridges. External factors. Frequent exposure to water, harsh soaps, and chemicals can dry out nails. Keeping your body hydrated and using moisturizing products can help maintain nail health. Trauma and improper nail care can contribute to vertical ridges. Physical trauma. Injuries to the nail matrix can cause ridges as the nail grows out. Nail care. Overuse of nail polish, improper filing, and rough cuticle treatment can damage nails. Practicing gentle nail care and protecting your nails from trauma can prevent ridges. Here are some tips and home remedies to improve nail health and reduce vertical ridges. 1. Moisturize regularly. Use cuticle oil and hand creams to keep nails hydrated. 2. Maintain a balanced diet. Eat foods rich in vitamins and minerals. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 4. Gentle nail care. File nails gently and avoid harsh nail products. 5. Protect your nails. Wear gloves when doing household chores. These simple steps can go a long way in maintaining healthy, ridge-free nails. Vertical ridges on your nails are usually nothing to worry about, but understanding the causes can help you take better care of your nails. Whether it's due to aging, nutritional deficiencies, or other factors, there are ways to improve your nail health naturally. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Here's to healthier hair and a happier you. Take care and see you in the next video. Goodbye.